my new name Timeless. So once I finished, I thought, I might as well just find out how to how to change my name. And when I went like this, I was just going to press something. I don't know what I was going to press, but then I saw presents. I think our names are pretty similar. Does it mean to change my name? I'm crying. Oh well. Oh no, oh no, no, no. My personal picture. Went to this, went to this, to this, to this, to this. To this, to this, to this, to this. My favorite was probably Gotcha Baby. No. How can I change my name? But I'm so sad that my name was pretty much kind of taken. I'm gonna change my name to either myself, which sounds weird to be honest. I need to know how to change my name. Wait, is it in the YouTube studio? I'll check, guys. You guys are calling me copyright. Well, yeah, I have 0 copyright strikes. Yeah, I just heard bird noises and that's like, what the hell? Should I get rid of all my notifications? And guys, I actually was actually these 2 videos for Robux, and I'm actually gonna give him some. On the first one, I didn't give him one because I said that he lied, but I'm actually gonna be honest, but to give him some on the next video. Glad you happy now. I'm happy now. I'm wasting my money. My poor Muni is going away. I'll miss you, Muni. Okay, bye.